The UN Human Rights Council's Universal Periodic Review Working Group conducted its fourth review of China's human rights record on Tuesday in Geneva. At a side event on the protection of children's rights, a Chinese expert shared insights on the positive outcomes of boarding education in Xizang in safeguarding the rights of Tibetan children, drawing from personal experience.
Today's my topic is boarding school. Boarding school is also like this long sleeve, is suitable for Tibetan's life. Received education in boarding school and benefited hugely from this system. After high school, I was admitted to Beijing Normal University. And after obtaining my master's degree, I have worked in Beijing for over a decade. Many of my family members and friends are also from the Qinghai Tibetan Plateau, and some also gained admission to university.
He said boarding education offers equitable and high-quality educational opportunities for Tibetan children, serving as an effective means for them to develop into talented individuals and broaden their horizons.